Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to show you guys this really great book. This is Disney Frozen #2, the annual 2020. So this is a hardcover book, which I really love. The color on this is so nice. So this is actually an activity book. So I love to buy activity books because my daughter is so busy and she loves things that kind of challenge her. So this is great because it actually has like comics in it that we read together. It has puzzles, it has mazes. There's different things that you can color. It's got codes to find out what words are. I love too, it's got where you can kind of draw. It gives you examples of how to draw stuff, so you can kind of work on how you draw. So I like things like that. It keeps your child busy for a long time, and I like that there's even like little games in here as well, so you can play that. It's a book that has so many different things. It can keep you busy for a while, and you're always looking for something in it to do because it's just so fun. But that's just my point of view.